Here's the story of Golu, the flying hero, delivered with a bit more oomph. Golu, the flying hero and the magical wolf. Deep in a lush green jungle lived a chubby, clever cat named Golu. He was light brown and white, with sharp claws and teeth that made him look fierce, though he was more cute than scary. Golu wasn't just clever. He was an inventor too. His best friend was Chiku, a playful little chicken with bright red and yellow feathers. The two were inseparable, spending their days running around, playing games, and laughing together. Life was peaceful and happy. One day, while Golu and Chiku were playing near the river, the sky suddenly turned dark. Thick black clouds rolled in, and a flash of lightning tore through the sky. From the storm emerged a terrifying giant wolf with glowing red eyes, sharp teeth, and enormous dark wings. This was Darkfang, the magical flying wolf. His voice echoed through the jungle. "This jungle now belongs to me," he roared, his voice sending chills down every animal's spine. Before Golu could react, Darkfang swooped down, grabbed Chiku in his powerful claws, and soared into the sky. "Help me, Golu!" Chiku cried as the wolf disappeared into the stormy clouds. Golu's heart burned with anger. He wouldn't let Darkfang take his best friend. But how could a chubby little cat reach a flying wolf? Then he remembered his secret invention, a super jetpack he had built for fun. Without wasting a second, Golu strapped it on his back. The jetpack hummed to life, glowing with blue light. "Let's fly!" Golu shouted and pressed the button. With a loud whoosh, Golu shot into the sky like a rocket, leaving the jungle far below. High above the clouds, Golu spotted Darkfang, flying fast with Chiku still trapped in his claws. Golu raced toward him. "Let my friend go!" Golu shouted. Darkfang turned and smirked. "A fat little cat thinks he can stop me? Let's see what you've got." The wolf unleashed a blast of dark magic lightning at Golu. Golu swerved just in time, the lightning missing him by inches. He zipped around, using his jetpack to dodge attack after attack. Golu wasn't just fast, he was smart too. He swooped behind the wolf and slashed his sharp claws across Darkfang's tail. Arrgh. Darkfang howled in pain. Enraged, the wolf lunged at Golu, snapping his sharp teeth. But Golu was quicker. He sped up, flying in loops and circles, confusing the wolf. Then, Golu saw his chance. He turned on his jetpack's super speed mode and rocketed straight into Darkfang's chest with a loud BAM! The wolf tumbled backward, losing his grip on Chiku. Golu dived down and caught his friend just in time. Darkfang, battered and angry, glared at Golu. "You may have won this time," he growled. "But I will return. I'll be waiting," Golu said with a confident smirk. Golu and Chiku flew back to the jungle, where all the animals cheered for their brave hero. But Golu wasn't celebrating yet. He knew Darkfang would come back stronger, so he decided to upgrade his jetpack, preparing for the next battle. The adventure wasn't over yet. It was just the beginning.